Hello, my name is Steve Andrews, and I'd like to thank you for purchasing the carpet patch system. What we're going to do is show you how to use this tool to be able to take out those sad spots in our training DVD. This is going to be a DVD where you can start and stop it, and we'll walk you step by step, so you should be able to get at least a 60 to 80% improvement from those damaged areas on your carpet. So let's show you how this works. We're going to place it right over the stain, and we'll be able to take care and cut this section out. Now as we place this over the small area discoloration or the sad spot, we notice we have an inside edge and an outside edge. Just fit whichever one will fit. If it'll fit inside, it's perfect. If it's large, the outside should cover it. We want to make sure this sits in place so we can make the exact same cut when we're doing this. So we're going to take our nails and we're going to apply those. We'll use any hammer that you have, and all the tools that you notice we're using will either be available or you can use your own, whichever ones will work. So we're going to tap this down. And now we have it nice and secure where it's going to stay in place. We'll take our razor knife and we'll be able to cut through this and take out the damaged area. So be careful you don't cut yourself. We have specially designed grooves here that you want to be able to cut past that just a little bit, and we're just going to cut it. Follow the edge. Often it's good to make two cuts and just be sure you're staying right along that edge. It's very important you match your cut. You will see some cut tufts on this, but when we make our donor piece for it, we'll show you how to not lose tufts on that. Now, if we've done our job correctly, we should be able to take that small area discoloration that's damaged, remove this to the side, and this should come right out just like that. And now we're going to make a donor piece for that. Now as you notice, we have a donor piece here, an extra piece of carpet. This can be from a remnant piece you have, be taken out of a closet, wherever you have a piece that you can take this from. And we're going to cut the same size as our damaged area from this piece of carpet. Except from cutting it from the face, we're going to turn it over and we're going to cut it from the back. This allows us to have a very precision cut without losing the tufts. So we're going to take our carpet patch system. We're going to set this just like we did on the other piece. We're going to put our nails here just to hold it steady so we can cut this. Then we're going to take our razor knife again, the same razor knife, and we're going to cut through the exact same way we did, except we're cutting from the back of the carpet so we don't lose tufts. You're going to do the same thing, just cut across here, follow your pattern. Just stay right on the edge. Make a nice neat cut. On this you want to cut just through the backing, you don't want to cut real deep into the carpet. Just cut through what's called the backing of this. Now as I've removed these, I remove our carpet patch system, I should have a donor piece that I can take out and it will match perfectly the piece that we've just cut out of there, and we're going to insert the new piece to where the damaged piece was at. So it's a good idea to go ahead and insert the patch, and we want to be sure we lift up. Make sure there's no carpet tufts buried. Just look in the side and you'll be able to see what you're doing right on the edges, and just lift it up, make sure there's no pieces buried. And then we're going to take some type of a tool like this. This is a grooming tool. You can also use a comb if you need to. We're just going to go along the edges, and I want to see what it's going to look like. I'm certainly well within my 60 to 80% improvement, so I'm going to go ahead and work with this. Now I'm going to take this piece back out, and I'm going to use a glue gun. I want to set these tufts back. We don't want to bury tufts. It's very important. You just be aware of that. We're going to take a glue gun, and all I'm going to do is glue this around the edges. I'm going to start with one of them, work the glue around the edge, go about halfway, set some in the middle. I'm going to insert this to where it's going to hold itself in place with the glue. Make sure my edges don't have any buried tufts in them. This allows you just a few moments to work with it. And then I'm going to roll that. I'm going to make sure that's pressed down into the adhesive. And it's a good idea to just place your hand on there for just a moment, probably about 30 seconds to where it holds in place. After you hold it in place and you're secure enough that it's going to be holding, I'm going to lift this other end up just enough to where I can get my glue gun underneath there. I'm going to work this again right along the edges. You'll see the adhesive you're putting down in there, and catch some in the middle. Be careful you don't drip any glue on the carpet face. Then I'm going to put this down in there, make sure I don't have any tufts buried. I can see right in there, see the edges. I'm going to roll this portion. And right there we have the carpet patch. It looks excellent. We always tell you that you should be able to get 60-80% improvement. We naturally shoot for more than that, but this is going to be much better than having this piece in here. This is what it looked like. This is the repair right here. It's very difficult to see. That's how you use the carpet patch system. I'd like to thank you for purchasing the carpet patch system. If you have any questions about any of the tools you see here, they're all available on our website. Just look it up and you'll be able to see that. And if you need any help with anything, go to our website, carpetpatch.com, and feel free to contact us if we can help you in any way. Again, thank you for purchasing the carpet patch system.